It's not been easy being a therapist. Many of us are running on empty, facing burnout and isolation. What happened to the good old days when our biggest problems were facing managed care organizations? Well, my name is Zach Taylor. I'm the director of Psychotherapy Networker, and it is my great honor to welcome you back finally to the 45th annual Psychotherapy Networker Symposium, both in person in Washington, D.C., or virtually live online. For so many therapists, the symposium is like a pilgrimage that you return to year after year to reconnect with who you are as a therapist and gain new, fresh ideas that will propel your practice forward. So why come to symposium? First of all, this is a conference that's laser focused on taking care of the caretakers. Apart from planning the largest and most practical psychotherapy conference around, we are focused on crafting an experience that we hope will cure what ails us, right down to the music in the ballrooms, the dinners and luncheons, movement sessions and movie screenings, and for the first time ever, an evening of comedy with HBO's Gary Goldman. Second, symposium is about real, honest conversations. We tend not to shy away from controversy at symposium. And let's face it, we're a field that's filled with debate and differences. Does learning happen top down or bottom up? And is texting really therapy anyways? So all of our faculty are challenged to take their most academic and research-based ideas and translate them into real things that you can use. You'll see an encyclopedia of therapeutic workshops, with the goal being to allow us to become students again. And as students, we're allowed to change our minds, express our ideas, incorporate new perspectives, and rethink old positions. And to do all of that without any pop quizzes, homework, or anyone telling us where to sit. And you get a tax deduction at the same time. Who says it's no fun to be a grown-up? So when you register for Symposium, you can choose to join us live in Washington, D.C. and meet all your favorite speakers and trainers, or you can join virtually online from anywhere in the world. And if you do choose to come to D.C., don't worry, you're going to get the same benefits as our virtual attendees, including 14 days access to all the workshops and keynotes to review later on. Either way you join, I promise that you're going to leave with notebooks full of inspiration and new ideas that you can use tomorrow in your practice, and of course, a basket full of CE credits. So whether you like your learning top down or bottom up or somewhere in between, I believe strongly that you're going to find what you're looking for at Symposium. And hey, I get it. Life has been on hold for quite a long time, and we may not quite be back in the swing of planning ahead or even getting fully dressed in the morning, let's face it. So we understand that flexibility is key right now. So we've extended our lowest pricing of the year for way longer than normal. And we have extended a 100% no questions asked refund on your registration. So if you're thinking about participating in just one conference this year, this is the gathering you do not want to miss. So from all of us here at Psychotherapy Networker and Psychotherapy Networker magazine, I want to thank you for sticking with us over these last few years. We hope that you feel that we've stuck with you. I can't wait to see you once again at Symposium.